How's everybody doing? I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all gotta stop sending me videos of Andre. I just watched the video and I feel dumber than I've ever felt in my life. And yes, my office is still a mess, but when I got done watching it, I just had to, like, what does a person's testosterone have to do with their credit score? That's the name of the video. The link between low testosterone and low credit scores. And then, just like all over the place, talking about testosterone and taking vitamins to be healthy. I'm with you. Take your vitamins, be healthy. But why in the hell would you recommend Hydroxycut? That's one of the worst things you can put in your body. And yes, I know all about vitamins and supplements for muscle and losing weight. Don't believe me? Ask me a question. Promise you I got the answer. You might as well smoke crack or meth, which, coming from him, that's probably what he actually does. But y'all seriously, y'all got to stop sending me this crap because I have laughed so hard, I literally caught a cramp in my stomach. And then he talks about plants and flowers and erections and testosterone. He's like obsessed with testosterone and erections, which is, for somebody that likes men and women, I guess that could be kind of normal. But I just had to make this video to tell y'all, please stop sending me screenshots and please stop sending me videos. This kid is, I hate to call anybody dumb, but it's the dumbest person I've ever met in my life. And then he says things like, don't believe Andre. Well, who the fuck are you then? I thought you were Andre. Don't listen to Andre. Andre ain't got to do shit. Who the hell is this kid? I thought he was Andre. He's confusing as hell. And then, but again, your testosterone has nothing to do with your credit score or your credit report. That's just bad habits. Your testosterone has nothing to do with it. If you want to take vitamins to be healthy, that's fine. Do not take Hydroxycut. It is one of the worst supplements you can put inside of your body. I promise you. Don't believe me? Look it up. Yes, companies like GNC, and I believe that one was Muscle Tech, if I remember correctly. Of course, they're trying to sell this stuff. It's how they make their money. But your testosterone has nothing to do with your freaking credit score. That's just bad habits you made either when you was young or, nobody ever taught you how to manage credit. We've all been there. I've been there myself. And then he talks about people hating on him because they bring up the one-time payments because they're fucking illegal, you dumbass. It's like, how stupid can you be? But he's in another country, so he feels safe. He's not coming back to New York or California or Texas or Florida. He's not coming back to any of those places because if somebody doesn't catch him and beat his ass for scamming them, the law's going to get him. So I'm going to try to make more videos, y'all. Sorry, I got super behind when I got sick with COVID. But for the last time, stop sending me this shit. I cannot hold this crap. I just laugh and laugh and laugh and laugh and laugh and laugh. And I just feel stupid after watching his videos. Like, and I hate to even say it that way, but this kid needs help. Like, he should be in a mental hospital. He's that fucked up in the head. Sorry, y'all. I'm on my cussing again today. Anyway, if y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.